In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. You know, our resources are very important for our success and for our good life. Will you agree with it? Nobody can dare to disagree with it. Everybody is fond of collecting the resources. Everybody is fond of accumulating the maximum amount of money, gold, everything else which can be called money, assets. Our relationships are important. Our family is important. Our influence is important. Our even talents are important. All of these things are important. Even our good looks are important. All of these things are important. True or not? Very true. But there is one thing I have not talked about, I have not listed in these items. That thing is more important than any other item which has been listed now. There is one more thing, there is one more quality, there is one more merit, there is one more habit which is important, which is even more important than any of the things listed now. What is that? Can you tell? Let me see. It is willpower. Our willpower is important, although money is important, but our willpower is not any way lesser important than the money. Our talents are important, but our willpower is not any way lesser important than our talents and capabilities. Our good looks are important, but our willpower is even more important. Our influence, our family connections, contacts are important, but this thing is not any way lesser important. Actually, willpower is one of the essential ingredients of success. Willpower is one of the very essential ingredients of happiness. Willpower is very much one of the very essential ingredients of respect. Do you know it? Try it. Now the question arises: is it something which we acquire, or it is something which we inherit? Don't inherit it. It is acquired. We have to develop it. We have to create it in ourselves, and we have to develop it in ourselves. That is how the things works. It is not any way lesser important than any other thing. How to import if it is not inherited, if it is not something which we get by chance, like we were born in a family, and a part of that family and the part of that family's assets are mine as well. This is not like this one. We have to develop it, and we have to maintain it, and we have to work consistently upon it, and that is the only way we can gain it. That is the only way we can retain it. Now, willpower, we have discussed a little bit about the utility, about the benefits of the willpower, about the importance of the willpower. Now the question is how to acquire it, how to develop it in myself. As you know, that all of us feel off and on, we do feel impulses that I should get this thing for my gratification. Whatever we do get for our own gratification, most usually it is food. Usually it is food, the food of our choice. Or sometime we are desperate to say something. We are desperate to say something. We want to utter certain words. We want to utter certain sentences in front of someone else or in front of certain people. Why? Because we think that I shall be feeling satisfied at least momentarily by saying this thing, by doing this thing, by eating this thing, by saying this thing, by doing something, by eating something. I think we need to control ourselves at that moment, and that is how we can develop our willpower. If at all you do love the sweets, and your favorite sweet is say कि gulab jamun is your favorite sweet, and you go somewhere where you are offered, where you are entertained, where the tea and the gulab jamun are put forward in front of you, I think you need to control yourself. Or if at all you love the motichur out of all the sweets, and you are passing from a place where there is a shop of where there is a famous shop of motichur, and still either you don't buy or you do buy, but you don't eat it at that time, rather you keep deferring it, rather you keep eating the you keep deferring the consumption of these motichur or this sorts of sweet, or you are desperate to say something in front of some of the people, and for the sake of your own gratification, but you control yourself and you don't say it, or at least don't say it at that time. And this is how you are actually very serious contender of acquiring the willpower, a very good quality and a very good strength of willpower. Willpower is something very, very useful, and on the basis of willpower, we can lead the life of a respect, and we can lead a good life. Really, we can prevent ourselves from doing so many of the bad things, and if at all we can prevent ourselves from doing so many of the bad things. Obviously, we will be able to live happily. We will be able to live with the honor and with the dignity. It is very important actually. It is very important actually. It is very important actually. What do you think? So we are discussing the way to develop our willpower, and we have talked about how much is the importance of the willpower. Not that complicated, but one thing which we must understand it, that there is a price to pay for each and everything, and nothing on earth is free of cost. And the willpower since developing the willpower, it is one of the very good merits, it is one of the very important merits. So that is why we do have to pay some price of developing it. And one more thing, one last thing about this is that it is once we do acquire, does not mean that it is going to stay with us effortlessly. It is not like that. We do have to maintain it, and we do have to keep making effort. We do have to keep exerting. We do have to keep working somewhat hard to maintain it as well, not only to acquire it, but someone to maintain it as well. It is not complicated. It is very much sustainable, which is very much acquirable and very much sustainable, provided we are serious enough, provided we are ready to do whatever is needed to do. And all of that is actually a self control. The more self control we do have, the more willpower we do have. Thank you.